Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need an admin account, a backup admin, and My Domain enabled. Next, make sure users have smartphones or tokens and that API access is allowed. This prevents lockouts. Once done, open Setup and search for Session Settings, then go to Identity Verification Settings. Make sure you choose the correct authentication methods to allow authenticator apps and phone-based verification. This first step ensures the environment is ready and reduces surprises when you enforce MFA across the org. Now you configure MFA methods and enforcement. In Setup, navigate to Identity Verification and add Salesforce Authenticator, TOTP apps, and WebAuthn as allowed methods. This gives flexibility for users. Then create a permission set that requires multi-factor authentication and assign it to pilot users or groups. Once assigned, ask a pilot user to register their authenticator and complete a login. This validates flows and app compatibility. Make sure to document the chosen methods so help desk staff can assist during rollout. Finally, enforce MFA gradually. Apply the permission set to larger cohorts or implement a login flow that directs users to register. Provide recovery options, generate recovery codes, allow a backup authenticator, and train admins on reset procedures so users aren't locked out. If problems arise, check My Domain status, ensure device time is accurate for TOTP, and verify permission set assignment. If a user still can't authenticate, reset their MFA from the admin console and guide them through re-registration to restore access quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.